This machine is intended for vacuuming of dry dust and/or small debris off dry carpeted or hard floor surfaces in indoor areas only, and should always be used with a dust bag and filters in place. To ensure your safety and optimize the output of your machine, we recommend the following safety and maintenance tasks before every use. Remove, empty, and clean the reusable dust bag. Clean the filter by turning it anti-clockwise to unlock and remove, then tap gently to release fine dust. Check the power cord for cuts, abrasions, and exposed wiring to ensure it is safe to use. Always wind up the power cord from the machine end to reduce tangles. Check the floor tool, wand, handpiece and hose for any obstructions. The best way to check the hose is to drop a coin through one end. If it doesn't fall through, it's likely that you have an obstruction. We recommend the following regular safety and maintenance tasks. Clean the external motor filter by placing a finger on each side of the foam and cage towards the back and pull up. Remove and shake excess dirt and debris to clean thoroughly. Check the condition of the short lead holder, cord restraint, and extension fastener strap. For any repair or servicing requirements, visit our website to locate your nearest authorized service and warranty agent.